The Richest Man in Babylon Disclaimer. This audiobook is based on the original public domain work, The Richest Man in Babylon, by George S. Clason. This narration has been newly written and adapted for educational and motivational purposes. Introduction. The wisdom of ancient Babylon. Long before banks, before stock markets, before modern money systems, there stood a magnificent city, Babylon. It was the richest city the world had ever known, not because of magic, not because of luck, but because its people understood how money works. This audiobook reveals the timeless financial wisdom that turned ordinary men into wealthy citizens, principles that remain just as powerful today. Chapter 1. The Man Who Desired Gold. In the city of Babylon lived two friends, Bansir, a chariot builder, and Kobi, a musician. Though hard-working, they were always poor. One evening, Bansir spoke with frustration. "Why do we work so hard, yet our purses remain empty?" They realized something painful. They earned money, but never learned how to keep it. So they decided to seek advice from the richest man in Babylon, Arkad. Chapter 2. Arkad, the richest man in Babylon. Arkad welcomed them kindly and spoke simple truths. "I became wealthy the moment I decided that a part of everything I earned was mine to keep." Lesson 1. Pay yourself. First, save at least 10% of everything you earn. Spend only what remains. Wealth begins with discipline, not income size. Arkad explained, "A purse that leaks cannot grow heavy." Chapter 3. Control thy expenditures. Many believe they cannot save because life is expensive. Arkad corrected them, "Confuse not necessary expenses with desires." Lesson 2. Live below your means. Track spending. Cut unnecessary desires. Wealth grows when expenses are controlled. True wealth does not come from earning more. It comes from wasting less. Chapter 4. Make thy gold multiply. Gold that sleeps does not grow. Arkad taught, money must work for you. Lesson 3. Invest wisely. Put money where it can earn more money. Avoid schemes promising quick riches. Seek guidance from the knowledgeable. Gold, when properly employed, becomes a loyal servant. Chapter 5. Guard thy treasures from loss. Not all investments are safe. Arkad warned, gold flees the man who invests without wisdom. Lesson 4. Protect your wealth. Avoid emotional decisions. Don't trust unproven advice. Invest only where your principal is secure. Greed destroys faster than poverty. Chapter 6. Make of thy dwelling a profitable investment. Rent keeps you dependent. Ownership creates stability. Lesson 5. Own your shelter. Strive to own your home. Reduce lifelong expenses. Build security for the future. A man who owns his shelter owns peace of mind. Chapter 7. Ensure a future income. Arkad spoke of old age. Prepare for the days when you can no longer work. Lesson 6. Plan for the future. Build long-term savings. Think beyond today. Wealth is freedom over time. Chapter 8. Increase thy ability to earn. Your greatest asset is yourself. Lesson 7. Invest in yourself. Learn new skills. Improve your craft. Knowledge multiplies income. A sharp mind earns more than strong hands alone. Final chapter. The Law of Wealth. The wisdom of Babylon can be summarized in one truth. Wealth flows to those who respect money, not luck, not shortcuts, not overnight miracles, but discipline, patience, and wisdom. If you made it all the way to the end, you're serious about your financial future. And that's powerful. Now it's your turn. Like this video if it brought you value. Subscribe to Audio World for more life-changing audiobooks every week. And don't forget to drop your biggest takeaway in the comments. Finally, Share this video with someone you care about. Help them start their journey to wealth too.